Hey guys, I'm Erik Peterson, and I'm a men's dating and relationship coach for 𝕘𝕥𝕚𝕝𝕝 And today's attraction tips video is called 10 Signs That She's Attracted to You. Now, studies show that only 7% of communication is done through words, and a whopping 55% is done through body language. The other 38% is done through vocal tone. Now, this is one of the reasons why using texting as your main form of communication is such a bad idea. But I digress. So what is the best way to know if either a girl that you just met, or maybe you've been dating for just a little while, or even a girl that you've been in a long-term relationship, how do you know that she's showing signs of attraction for you? Well, that's through her body language, of course. Now, it's not so easy if you don't know what to look for. But once you do know what to look for, the signs become quite obvious. And knowing these signs will really help you to determine what to do from there. So in this attraction tips video, I'm going to explain the top 10 female body language signs that communicates that she is attracted to you. Now, these aren't the only signs that communicate this, but these are probably the most obvious ones. And I'm also going to throw in a few signs that shows that she is not interested in you at all. But before we get started, I just wanted to say that if you find this video helpful, or any of my videos helpful, I would really appreciate a thumbs up, and for you to share it with any of your friends and family who may also find it helpful. And I would also really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button down below and tick that little bell symbol that's next to it. By doing this, you will get real-time notifications of when I upload new videos. And if you guys need to get in touch with me, if you have any questions about my videos, questions about your own relationship, please feel free to shoot me an email. To do this, all you have to do is head to my website at 𝕘𝕥𝕚𝕝𝕝.com, click on the contact tab, and it's pretty self-explanatory from there. And if it's a good question, I may use it in an upcoming video. And of course, I'll keep all your personal info private. But just so you know, I do have to get back to my paying clients first, and I have a pretty full plate these days, but I will get back to you as soon as I can. So just be patient, and you'll hear from me in no time. But if you need to get in touch with me right away, the best way to do that is, again, head to my website at 𝕘𝕥𝕚𝕝𝕝.com, click on the coaching tab, and I have several options for you to choose from. I offer emergency email coaching, where I will respond to you within 24 to 48 hours, depending on which option you select. And I also provide monthly coaching, where I will work with you throughout the month to try to get whatever relationship issue you're having turned around and get you back on track. So let's get started on the video. Now, first, I wanted to explain that all these signals are subconscious. In other words, she doesn't even realize that she's doing these. Now, of course, there will be times when a girl will catch herself and try to cover up the fact that she's attracted to you, but for the most part, she doesn't even realize that she's doing these. And it makes it kind of cute, because once you know these signals, when you're talking to a girl, whether you're involved with her or not, and you pick up on these signals, it's kind of cute, it's flattering. But also, I wanted to point out the fact that you should look for more than just one of these signals, because her doing just one of them doesn't necessarily mean that she's attracted to you or she wants you to make a move. And obviously, the more of these signs that she's doing, the better it is for you. So I've written down 10 of these signals, and these are probably the most obvious ones, but most guys don't even know to look for these. So I figured this is important for you guys to know. So like I said, you know what to do once a girl starts showing you these signals. So number one is preening. Now this is basically when she's fixing herself up to look more attractive in front of you. This could be her like straightening out her outfit, maybe checking her makeup in her mirror, or fixing her hair, something like that. Now this is a sign that she likes what she sees and she wants to look just as good for you. Now number 2, this is playing with her hair. Now this is actually a pretty big one just because it's one of the most common ones. And this could be her like flipping her hair, over her back to expose her neck, or maybe she's running her fingers through her hair, or she's twirling her hair with her finger. I mean, these are all just forms of nonverbal flirting. Number 3 is eye contact. Now, eye contact alone doesn't necessarily mean anything. She could be just a good listener or being polite and she's looking you in your eye when she's talking to you or you're talking to her. But in the context of the rest of these signals, it could be a really good sign. Now, if she's making eye contact with you and she's smiling, and occasionally she kind of looks down in a playful, submissive way, that's a really good sign. Now, number 4 are big smiles. Now, there's a difference between the forced nervous smile signaling that she's not that comfortable, and the big smile that indicates she's really enjoying her company. Like she's grinning from ear to ear. Maybe her eyes are squinting a little bit. You see a little bit of the crow's feet in the corner of her eyes. I mean, this is a good signal that she's really enjoying your company. And you should be able to tell the difference when you see it. It's pretty obvious. Number 5 is playing with her jewelry. Now this is when she's like fidgeting with her ring or maybe with her necklace or playing with her earrings. Again, this is just another form of nonverbal flirting. Number 6 is spotlighting her face. Now this is when she draws attention to her face by like putting her hand under her chin, or maybe she has both hands like this, and really all she is doing is signaling to you that she wants you to take notice of her pretty face. Number 7 is exposing her skin. Now, obviously, I'm not talking about if she gets naked in front of you, though if she does get naked in front of you, I would say that's a pretty good sign, but strip clubs don't count. But what I'm talking about here is when she's doing things like pulling up her sleeves to expose her arms and her wrists, or maybe she like unbuttons a top button or maybe 2, or unzips a little bit, just exposing just a little bit of the skin on her chest, or maybe just the slightest bit of cleavage. And this really means that she's feeling comfortable around you. And there's extra points if she's drawing attention to the exposed area. Like maybe like when I was talking about how she flips her hair over her back to expose her neck. Maybe she runs her fingers down her neck. I mean, these are good signs that she's trying to, again, subconsciously, but she's trying to make you think of sex. Doesn't mean you're going to get sex, but that's what she's trying to make you think of. Now, number 8 is invading your personal space. Now, you may notice her moving closer to you when you're speaking with her or when you're walking with her. If you're seated or standing, she may, like if you're seated, she may be scooching a little closer to you, or if you're standing, she may be slowly moving closer to you. Or maybe when you're talking, she's leaning into you. Now, or if you're walking, and she might be occasionally bumping into you as you're walking next to each other, or maybe her hand is bumping your hand. Again, this is a sign that she's feeling comfortable with you, and she's hinting that it's okay to begin touching. Now, I don't mean touching in an aggressive sexual way. As an example, if you're walking side by side and her hand is bumping your hand, that's a pretty good signal that she's saying it's okay to hold my hand if you'd like to. So if she's doing that, go ahead and grab her hand. Now, number 9 is drawing attention to her lips. Now, if you're noticing her when she's like looking you in your eye and she's licking her lips a lot, or perhaps she's like sucking on a straw in her drink, or blowing air kisses, or maybe even playfully holding like a piece of fruit or something between her lips, like a cherry or something like that. This is a good indicator that she wants, or she's trying to draw attention to her sexy lips. Now, if she's seductively parting her lips, like, or biting her bottom lip, this is a pretty strong indication of desire. Doesn't mean that you should throw her down on the ground and start ravaging her, but it's a pretty good sign that if you play your cards right, it's on. Now, number 10 is touching you. Now, when she's playfully hitting or slapping your arm, I mean, it's clear that she's flirting with you. But if she begins to place her hand on your arm, or maybe your back, or even your knee, this is a green light that you can begin touching her and begin escalating, or to escalate making moves. Again, you do not want to make aggressive sexual moves. With women, they're not light switches. You have to slowly build up and escalate the touching into kissing, and you know where that goes from there. Now, signs that she's not interested. Now, I'm not going to go into the many signs that communicate she's not interested or that she's feeling uncomfortable around you, but I will give you a few of the obvious signs to look for. Now, obviously, the opposite of her moving closer to you is her keeping her distance. Maybe she's leaning back, or her body is slightly like turned away from you. Maybe her feet are pointed away from you. This means that she doesn't really want you coming closer. Actually, she wants to get out of there. Another one, if she's looking around while you're speaking. Like if you're talking to her, she may be, yeah. And she's just being polite by responding to you. But if you see her looking around like that, she's bored, she's disinterested. And by her looking around, she's actually kind of saying, will someone please come rescue me? And if she's shifting her weight around, like maybe she's uncrossing a leg, crossing another one, and back and forth. Now, this is a good sign, again, that she's a little nervous, a little uncomfortable, and she's uncertain about you. And finally, if her arms are folded in front of her, this is a sign that she is not inviting you in. This is a guarded pose. And if she's also has her legs crossed, and maybe she's a little hunched over while doing it, this is extremely guarded. And this signals that she does not feel comfortable around you at all. And so if you notice any of these signs, most guys don't get it. I hear girls complaining about this all the time, that, women don't want to hurt your feelings. So they're not going to, most of them will not come out and just say, get out of here, creep, leave me alone. I have no interest in you. So these signals you need to look for. And if it's a girl that you just met, just leave her alone. She's not interested. If it's a girl you're dating, you're probably not going to be getting another date. And if it's a girl that you're in a long-term relationship with, just leave her alone and start looking for the other signals showing that when she is feeling attraction for you again. So this is really all I have for you today. So I recommend that you go through this video again and study all this so you know what to look for. And this way you can determine where to go from there. So that's it for this video. I really appreciate all you guys that have watched it to the end. And if you have found this video of value, down below I have a link to, down below in the description, I have a link to PayPal. If you would like to donate, any amount is fine. I would really appreciate it. And again, I also have the links to both my contact page and my coaching page if you would like to get in touch with me. Thanks a lot. I'll catch you on the next video. Bye-bye.